Hi friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of Rynox Expedition trail bag. I was in search for a trail bag for quite some time for the Ninja 1000 and I came across this bag and it seems to be good. So let's do the unboxing of it and we'll have a detailed review of it. Friends, this is the Rynox Expedition trail bag. So this is how I received it. It's quite good. The packing is great. So let's do the unboxing of it. So they have used some tape, so you need to be a little bit quite careful. Okay, the packing is great. Yeah, now we are through it. So let's keep this aside. So what we have here is the Rynox Expedition trail bag. Good. The bag seems to be good. Here is the Rynox bag. So it is around 37 liters, waterproof. It's quite big. The bag is quite big and the material is vinyl, I believe. It's quite sturdy. It is a top opening bag, 37 liters. It doesn't have any compartments inside except for the straps. We have one compartment at the top. So we have one compartment over here at the top. Have one more in the front, I believe. Other than that, we have these holders. It can be used as a duffel bag also, as well as a shoulder bag. So I have the straps at the back so that you can use it as a shoulder bag and as a duffel bag. Once you put these straps on, it becomes a duffel bag. Quality is good. So here are the straps which came along with the bag to harness it along to the bike. We have 4 straps. So let's what we'll do is we'll pack some goods in it and we'll put it on the bike and then we'll see how it's fitting to the bike, as well as we'll go for a ride on it. Okay, see you till then. Bye. Hi guys, thanks for watching my videos. I would like to remind the viewers that all my videos are of my own and the products I've used are not sponsored in any way or not borrowed. So all the products have been bought by me for my personal use. So it's not any sponsored video or I've received any free goods from anyone to promote the videos. No, it's not the case. What basically I am making the videos of the products that I use. So please, if you find my videos very useful, do like, share, subscribe and do press the bell icon so that you get notified on the upcoming new videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.